In this video, we are talking about stock market. What is the stock market? The stock market broadly refers to the location of exchanges and other venues where the buying, selling, and issuance of shares publicly held companies take places. Such financial activities are conducted through institutionalized formal exchanges, whether physical or electronic, or via marketplace that operate under a definite set of regulations. While both the terms stock market and stock exchange are often used interchangeably, the latter term generally comprises a subset of the former. If one trades is the stock market, it means that they buy or sell shares on one or more of the stock exchange that are part of overall stock market. A given country region may have one or more exchanges comprising their stock market. The leading US stock market include the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq. These leading national exchanges, along with several other exchanges operating in the country from the stock market of the United States. Now we are understanding the stock market. The stock market allows numerous buyer and seller of securities to meet, interact, and transact. Stock market allows for price discovery of shares of corporation and serve as a barometer for the overall economy. Since the number of stock market participants is huge, one can often be assured of a fair price and a high degree of liquidity as various market participants compete with one another for the best price. A stock market is regulated and controlled environment in the United States. The main regulator includes the Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) and market participants under the purview of the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA). Since the stock market brings together under hundreds of thousands of market participants who wish to buy and sell shares. It ensures fair pricing practices and transparency in transactions. While earlier stock markets used to issue and deal in the paper-based physical share certificates, the modern day computerized stock markets operate electronically. Now we are talking about how the stock market works. In a nutshell, stock market provides a secure and regulated environment where market participants can transact in shares and other eligible financial instruments with confident with zero to low operational risk, operating under the defined rule and steady by the regulator. The stock markets acts as primary market and secondary markets. As a primary market, the stock market allows companies to issue and sell their shares to the common public for the first time, though the process of an initial public offering (IPO). This activity helps companies raise necessary capital of investor. It essentially means that a company divides itself into a number of shares, for example, 20 million shares, and sell a part of those shares, says 5 million shares to the public at a price for instant $10 per share. The facilitate this process, a company needs a marketplace where these shares can be sold. This marketplace is providing by stock market. It If anything goes according to plan, then the company will successfully sell the 5 million shares at a price of $10 per share and collect 50 million worth of funds. Investors will get the company shares will they can expect to hold for the preferred duration in anticipating for rising in share price and any potential income in the form of dividing payment. The stock exchange acts as a facilitator for the capital raising process and receiving a fee for its serving from the company and its financial partner. Special considerations: the stock exchange shoulders the responsibility of ensuring price transparency, liquidity, price discovery, and fair dealings in such trading activity as almost all major stock markets across the globe now operate electronically and exchange maintenance trading system that uh, essentially manage the buy and sell orders from various market participants. They perform the price matching function to facilitate trade executing at a price that is fair to both buyer and seller. A listed company may also offer new additional shares through other offering at a later stage, such as through right issues or follow on offering. They may even buy back to delist their shares. The stock exchange facilitates such transactions. The stock exchange often create and maintain various market levels and sector specific indicators like the S&P Standards and Poor's 500 index or an NASDAQ 100 index, which provide measures to track the movement of the overall market. Other methods include the Stochers os- oscillator and the Stocha. The stock exchange also maintain all company news announcement and financial reporting, which can usually be exceed on their official website. A stock exchange also support various other corporate level transactions related activities. For instance, profitable companies may reward investors by paying dividends and that usually come from part of the company earning. The exchange maintain all such information and may support its processing to the certain extent. Function of a stock market: fair dealing in securities transaction depending on the standards rules to supply and demand. The stock exchange needs to ensure that all interested market participants have instant access to data for all buy and sell orders, thereby helping in the fair and transparent pricing of securities. Additionally, it should also perform efficient matching of properties buy and sell orders. For example, there may be their buyer who have placed order for buying Microsoft share at 100 to 105 and 110 dollars, and there may be four sellers who are willing to sell Microsoft shares at 110, 112, 115, and $120. The exchange, through automated trading systems, needs to ensure that the best buy and the best sell are matches, which in the case is at 110 for the given quantity of trade. Efficient price discovery: stock markets needs to support an efficient mechanism. Stock market needs to support an efficient mechanism for pricing discovery, which refers to the act of deciding the proper price of security, and it's usually performed by assessing market supply and demand and other factors associated with the transaction. Let's say US based software company trading a price of $100 and has a market capitalization of $5 billion. A news item come in the European Union regulator has impose a 2 billion fine on the company, which essentially means that 40% of company value may be wiped out, while the stock market may have imposed a trading price range of $90 to 110 of on the company's share price. It should eventually change the permissible trading price limit to accommodation for the possible changes in the share price, or else shareholders may struggle to trade a fair price. Liquidity maintenance. While getting the number of buyers and sellers for a particular financial security are out of control for the stock market, it needs to ensure that whoever is qualified and willing to trade gets instant access to place order that should get executed at a fair price. Security and validity of transactions. While more participants are important for the efficient working of a market, the same market needs to ensure that the participant are verified and remains compliant with the necessary rules and regulations, leaving no room for default by any of the parties. Additionally, it should ensure that all associated entities operating in the market to the rules and work within the legal framework given by the regulator. Sport are eligible types of participants. A market is made up of a variety of participants, which include market investors, traders, speculators, and hedgers. All of these participants operating in the stock market with different rules and functions. For instance, an investor may buy stock and hold them for the long term, spanning many years, while a trade may enter and exit a position within seconds. A market maker provide necessary liquidity in the market, while a hedger may like to trade for mitigating the risk involved in investment. The stock market should ensure that all such participants are able to operate seamlessly, fulfilling their desired rules to ensure that the market continues to operating efficiently. Investor protection. Along with the wealthy and institutional investor, a very large number of small investors are also served by the stock market for their small amount of investments. These investors may have limited financial knowledge and not be fully aware of the pitfalls of investing in stock market and other listed instruments. The stock exchange must implement necessary measures to offer the necessary protection to such investors to shield them from financial loss and ensure customer trust. For instance, a stock exchange may categorize stock various segments depending on their risk profiles and allow limited or no trading by common investor in high risk stock. Exchange often impose restrictions to prevent individuals with limited income and knowledge from getting into risky bets of derivatives. Balanced regulation. Listed companies are largely regulated and their dealings are monitored by market regulators such as the above mentioned sections. Additionally, exchange mandate certain requirements, for example, timely filling of quarterly financial reports and instant reporting of any relevant development to ensure that all market participants become aware of corporate happenings. Failure of adhere to the regulations can lead to suspension of trading by the exchange and other disciplinary measures. Regulating the stock market, a local financial regulator or competent monetary authority or institute is assigned the task of regulating the stock market of a country. The section is the regulatory body charged with overseeing the US stock market. The section is the federal agency that works independently of the government and political pressure. The mission of the SEC is stated as protecting investors, maintaining fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and facilitating capital formation. There are much more things we can talk about. We are now talking about some highlights of stock market. Stock market participants. We can talk about competent faced by stock markets, dark pools, blockchain venture, significance of the stock market, examples of stock market, compete risk free with 1 lakh US dollar in virtual cash. There are more many things we will talk about in our next video.